Here we are, Technical Tuesday at BodyFitz Personal Training in Sandy Springs. Chris Fratto doing the work here. We are pushing the tank from torquefitness.com. I want you to look at his foot placement. He brings his knee forward quickly, doesn't pound his foot into the ground, but places it and then pushes back for a long stride so we get optimal glute and hamstring activation. All right, so nice, long, elongated position to work the hamstrings and glutes. All right, now he's going to show us the backwards pull. We like to use our straps here. He can sink his butt a little bit lower. You notice he's keeping his back flat. He can drop the chin just a little bit. And we're landing on the toe, pushing through the midfoot or even heel. Really working those quads now. So we went from hamstring and glute activation with a little bit of quad work to predominantly here, quads. How are you feeling, Chris? Getting a good burn?
Oh, yeah.
All right, Technical Tuesday here at BodyFitz. Have a good one.